eastern Cass County until 6:30 p.m. At 6 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Union, or 34 miles south of Omaha, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plattsmouth, Glenwood, Malvern, Pacific Junction, Murray, Union, Weehawken, and Thurman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Friday afternoon for southwest Iowa and eastern Nebraska. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Fremont and Mills, and Cass County, Nebraska. Tornado watch number 539 remains